Hi, I'm Chris, artist, designer, desert dweller, and I've been teaching creative classes on Skillshare since 2016. Plus, I offer courses on my own website.
Because gratitude and painting are both so vital to good physical and mental health, I've created a watercolor gratitude sketch and paint journal kit. It's a no pressure sketching and painting challenge that gives you prompts to kickstart your creativity, plus video painting tutorials for the fall season. Then you can paint at your own pace. Of course, the more you paint, the more you'll benefit because life happens. I'll encourage you to be gentle and give yourself grace during and in between the painting process. There are some yummy prompts for fall that I'll show you how to paint. Plus, the prompts are flexible, so you'll get to paint your favorite things and what you're most grateful for. You'll also get the private video tutorials with painting techniques for all different kinds of projects and subject matters to help you navigate the prompts and build your skills along the way. All the projects are designed to be quick and easy to paint and designed for art students with busy lives, like you. Are you ready to paint what you're most thankful for? Get your watercolor gratitude sketch and paint journal kit today.